Hey everybody, it's Bash. This is my sister, Joleah. She has something cool to show you. So, today I am making clay stuff. Pottery. Forgot the word. So I've already done the first few steps. And so the first couple steps were putting this on here on the spinny wheel thing, and then clipping these, putting the top on, and then putting the clay in. That's all I've done so far. And the next step I have to do is putting the lid on and then putting this in. So you can watch me do that. You set the lid on. You push it in, just like that. Gotta look at the directions one more time. Pull it out. Okay. Then we're gonna take the thingies apart. These off. And then you take this piece and you pull it off. I don't know if I did a very good job at compacting it down. Oh well. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I can put it right on here. Take this and I take one of these blue pieces and I hook it on to the lid so clay doesn't go everywhere. Then I put it on like this into the hole of the blue thing that I put in. And then I take the orange rod and I stick in these pieces that I want, which I'm going to use this one so I can make little ridges. And if I can get it in, just give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I got it in. If you didn't know, it looks like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take the tip thing I want to use. I'm going to say same one as another one that I made, which looks like this. And stick this in. Hopefully this one goes in easier than the last one. Still not going in. Give me 2 more seconds. I got it in. Took a little work, but I got it in. And that one looks like that, and now it's two-sided. Okay, and now I'm gonna plug it in down here with the cord. Gotta plug it in into this. And now I think I turned a page here in my instruction manual. It says I can start. Okay, so this is made so you can, if you're left-handed and right-handed, there's a difference. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do it the right-handed way. So you start with this end right here, okay? And if I turn it on here, I can shape it how I want through this thing right here. And you can watch me do that real quick. I think I put this thing on the wrong way, which means I have to turn it. Okay. I don't know what shape I'm making, but I try. I think I'm going to try to make a mushroom, but I don't know if it's going to turn out right. So just give me 2 seconds to mold it. So I'm planning on changing this tip here because I need the other tip to shape the mushroom part, and then I'm probably going to go back to that, and then I'm probably just going to keep this tip because I think this tip will work better. This one actually went in. Okay, let's see if I can make the mushroom. I'm not able to, I'm probably just going to smush this part in here, slowing it way down. Shoot. Well, I made a pretty funny shape. Let's turn it off for a second to look at my funny shape. And I'll show you something in a little bit. Okay, I finished with that side, so now I have to take the sponge and get it wet so I can smooth out the sides, and then with the other end I'm going to do the inside, which I'll show you guys, but I gotta go get this wet real quick. I got it wet, so now I'm going to turn this thing back on. Oh shoot, I forgot, I have to take off this blue piece now so I can do the sponge part. So if I take this and I turn it back on, now I can do the sponge part. Your boy Sponge be working hard. Now let's cut to the chase. Does that feel good? I finished with the sponge. Looks like that.
Oh my god.
A lot of clay on it. I'm just gonna set it there, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna take this side of the thing and do the inside of it, starting like this to get the lower inside, and then going like this to get more of the inside. So if I turn it back on,
I just realized I have this.
now I can carve out the inside,
What?
and I'm going to show you when I'm done carving out the inside. Bad habits lead to late nights. And in my room, conversations with a stranger I barely know. Okay. So, it started falling and I had to fix it. So, yeah. But, because I went too deep down because it was too greedy, I wanted it deeper. And then I hit that seam. So that happened. So I think I'm going to use the sponge to try to fix it. It should work. So let's see if this works. I'm fixing the top first. And if you haven't noticed the TV in the background yet, my brother Bash is playing Wii. So, yeah. And I think I'm good. So now is the cleaning up process, which is you remove this. Gotta look at the directions. I don't remember what to do next. Okay, so once I remove that, I take these clumpy things, clumps, out. I gotta open up the bag of clay before I do that. If I open up my bag of clay, pulled out the British accent.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, put the clay back in the bag. I'm having trouble zipping up the bag. Okay. It's gone smooth. There we go. Okay, the next part after we do that is we put the lid on this thing to remove it. Like that. And then we take the lid off. Exit it down in there. Okay, we set those off to the side. Then take this thing and remove it from the bottom. And I learned my lesson from last time to put my hand there so it doesn't fall. Luckily, last time I put my hand there so it didn't fall. And I got it off. And then you're done. And you go put it somewhere to dry for 24 hours and you're done.
Mom, look, I won. Wonder why? Mom?
Bye, guys.